Hello guys, and welcome to another quick tutorial from Vintage Radar. Today I'm going to show you how to do the AC reset on your chronograph watch after you have replaced the watch battery. For today's video I'm going to use the Festina chronograph watch that runs with the AG7 watch battery type. So after you have inserted the new watch battery, what you want to do is to look on the metallic plate on the back of the watch and look for AC written, so A and C, and you can also have a minus next to the AC, or you can only have the minus as we do in our case right here. You are going to have a small hole, or you are going to have a small metallic plate right next to the minus or the AC, and what we want to do is to insert one tip of the metallic pair of tweezers inside this hole right here, and the other end is going to go onto the plus of the battery, and we are going to hold it for around 3 seconds. After that you can release it and we can look at our watch to make sure that it is ticking and it is working correctly. As you can see, the seconds hand, so the subdial for the seconds hand is ticking, and what we might need to do is to align the chronograph. So in case your chronograph isn't perfectly aligned at 12 o'clock, what you need to do is to align the chronograph. I'm going to post a full guide with how to use the chronograph, how to align it, and also how to set the time and date, and I'm going to leave a link in the description box below in case you are interested. Also guys, in case you want to watch the full guide with how to replace the watch battery on this Festina chronograph watch from start to finish, I'm going to post a link in the description box below, so make sure to watch that video as well. In case you want to watch even more videos about watches, vintage watches, make sure to be subscribed, give it a thumbs up, it really means a lot. And if you would like to purchase your first vintage watch, make sure to check out our website vintageradar.com, because we have thousands of vintage watches for sale, including this vintage 90s Festina chronograph watch. Thank you guys for watching. I will see you on the next one.